can be your family.
I should be calling you Milady.
Do not call me Milady.
As Milady commands. That was okay, enough.
You wouldn't be my family. You'd be Milady.
Just as
Did you kill someone, or is it just because
I'm not a girl.
Yes, you are. You think I'm as stupid as the rest of them?
Stupider. You won't get
So
drinks.
small, it's such a huge pain in
Very
my
close.
arm.
No one can.
They won't. from me.
Genji's armor's apprentice.
Asking me
fighting
questions
someone.
is bad luck.
You
Probably
practicing
be
for a
dead
fight.
soon.
You should practice right. You don't have to do this.
I want to.